All right, so step one, you take a drawing like this, and the idea is to deconstruct it or take it apart. There's a lot of ways to do this. Everyone's going to do it differently. But using a pair of scissors to start taking this and disassembling it and deconstructing it and take it apart into different pieces. There's one. So keep taking that apart. You might get like 20 pieces, 30 pieces, maybe even 100 pieces. But I'm going to take these now onto a separate clean piece of paper and think about how I'm not going to try to reconstruct that engine I just took apart, but I am going to try to build something new with this. And again, there's a million ways to do this. The pieces might touch and connect. They might be floating and separated. But there's a lot of ways you can come up with ideas on how to join these up. They might overlap a little bit, or touch a little bit. Once you have an idea, you can start to glue them down. And this year, we're going to use good old-fashioned Elmer's glue. And I'm going to show you how to use it the right way. Because every time I see kids use it, this is usually what happens. Pieces removed. A ton of glue is thrown down onto the paper. This is laid on top. And all this glue is all over the place. It will stick to everything. Please stop doing this. There's a much better way. Instead, take a shape, turn it over. Use the Elmer's glue sparingly. You just need a couple dots towards the edges and the corners. You could even work off of the paper like this. Then take your professional glue spreader and just spread out to the edges and the corners. Now when you go to glue this down and you push it down, no glue squirts out the edges.